Hi, I'm Matthew Thomas, and today I would like to guide you through a Yoga Nidra practice. Yoga Nidra means yogic sleep. The purpose of Yoga Nidra is to really allow yourself to get into a state of deep relaxation. It aims to visit a state of conscious, deep, and a dreamless sleep state. Anybody and everybody can do Yoga Nidra till the time you find a comfortable position for you. You can lie on your back or you can even do it while you are seated. So, let's get started. Lie down on your back with your knees slightly bent and supported. Make sure that you are warm enough and that your position is one that will be comfortable for the entire duration of the practice. It is best that you remain still during Yoga Nidra so that both your body and your brain have a chance to fully relax. However, if you become uncomfortable at any time during this practice, please feel free to change your position into a comfortable one. Allow your eyes to close and keep them closed until the practice has ended. The practice of Yoga Nidra is a practice of yogic sleep that will guide you to the hypnagogic state, a state of consciousness between wakefulness and sleeping. Try to remain awake by listening to the sound of my voice. In this practice, you will be asked to move your awareness to various bodily sensations, emotions, and images. Try not to concentrate too intensely, as this may prevent you from relaxing. During this meditation, please use and absorb what you need in the moment and leave the rest behind. If the mind becomes overactive with thoughts and worries, just come back to the sound of my voice. And now, slowly become aware of your natural breath. Become aware of your natural and spontaneous breath that moves in and out of your body without any effort. The natural breath flows in through both the nostrils. Notice the feeling of the breath as it comes in and out of your nostrils. There is a sense of coolness as you inhale the breath. Follow this feeling into your nose, to the back of your throat, and even into your lungs. There is a sense of warmth as you exhale the breath. Feel this warmth on your upper lip as you breathe out. The natural breath flows through both the nostrils during the inhale and the exhale movements. Now, allow your breath to become longer and slower. Take a long, slow inhalation, followed by a longer, slower exhalation. Make your exhalation even slower and notice the slight pause after the exhale. Slow inhale, even slow exhale and pause. Feel the urge to breathe in. Let the bubble up happen inside you. When you need to inhale, please do so. Long, slow inhale. Longer, slower exhale. And then pause where your body is neither breathing nor exhaling. Please continue breathing in this way. Now, go back to the natural, easy breath, releasing any control over the inhale or the exhale movements. The practice of Yoga Nidra begins now. At this moment, you should make your sankalpa, it's a Sanskrit word, a resolve or an intention formed by the heart and the mind. It's a solemn vow, a determination, or maybe a will. The sankalpa should be a short, positive statement in a simple language. Try to discover one naturally for you. Please state your sankalpa clearly and with awareness 3 times now. The sankalpa you make during Yoga Nidra practice is like planting a seed into the fertile soil of your mind to bring about transformation and healing. Also, say to yourself, I am practicing Yoga Nidra, I am awake and I am relaxed. We will now begin a systematic journey of sensory awareness throughout the body. You will move your awareness to different parts of the body as soon as you hear them named. Please say the name of the part to yourself and feel the part of your body, but do not move any part. Let's begin the practice. Imagine the palms of your hands, the back of your hands, your wrists, and both the hands. Imagine them deeply and see them being relaxed slowly and steadily. Every part of your hand is being relaxed as you visualize and listen to this voice. Slowly, let's move our attention towards the waist and now the hip and now the thighs. And visualize your knees. They are being relaxed now. Visualize your calves. Now your ankles. And your entire foot. Now let's go back to the body. Imagine the back side of your body. The back side of your foot, the calves, the thighs, the buttocks, the entire spine, the back side of your shoulder, the back of your neck, the back of your head. Everything is being relaxed. Now visualize the top of your head completely relaxed. Now your forehead. Now your ears. They are relaxed. Your eyebrows. Now your eyes are relaxed. Go through your nostrils. Visualize your nostrils being relaxed. Your cheek. And slowly visualize your lips and then your throat. Now your collarbone is being relaxed. The chest is being relaxed completely. Complete relaxation of the chest. Now your upper abdomen is being relaxed. Your navel, the lower abdomen is being relaxed. Your groin, the pelvic floor, and slowly your whole right leg, the whole left leg, the whole right arm, the whole left arm, the whole face, the whole head, your complete torso. Everything is being relaxed. Your complete body is being relaxed. The whole body. The whole body. Now, imagine the whole body becoming very light, as though your body could float away from the floor and move towards the ceiling. The head is light and weightless. The limbs are light and weightless. The torso is completely light and weightless. The whole body is light and weightless. You are rising higher and higher away from the floor. Now, imagine your body becoming heavy. Feel the heaviness in all the parts of your body. Each part is becoming heavier and heavier and heavier. The head is heavy. The limbs are heavy. Your torso is heavy. The whole body is heavy. So heavy that it is sinking down into the floor. And now, next, let's awaken the experience of cold in our body, the experience of chilly cold. Imagine being outside in the winter without enough clothing. You feel this chill permeating your entire body, and now allow the sensation of warmth to spread throughout the entire body. Remember the feeling of heat in the summer when you are out in the sun with no shade. You feel heat radiating onto your skin, heat, and all around your body. Now, next, let's recollect an experience of anxiety, intense anxiety and worry. Feel this stress in your mind and your body, but do not concentrate on its source. Keep the experience of anxiety as clearly as possible. And now, allow the feeling of complete calmness to envelop you. Manifest the experience of calmness in your entire mind, your body, and your emotions. Hey, you are relaxed and aware, and you are completely calm. Now, begin to concentrate on the space in front of your closed eyelids. Imagine before you a transparent screen as though you were at a movie theater. The screen is as high and as wide as the eye can see. Concentrate on this mind screen and become aware of any phenomena that manifests within it. Colors, patterns, and even light. Whatever you see is the manifesting state of your mind. Continue your awareness of this space, but do not get involved and practice detached awareness only. If any subtle images make themselves known, simply notice them without directing the images. If thoughts occur, let them come and go, but continue watching the dark space. Continue with this detached awareness. And now, a number of different things will be named, and you should envision them on the level of emotion, memory, and imagination as best as you can. Jump from image to image as soon as you hear them. Red desert, a white dove, a colorful peacock, Buddha meditating, a doctor's office, a full moon, your own reflection in a mirror, a vibrant sunset, you taking a deep breath, your favorite song, and now the sound of my voice, and finally your body lying down on the floor. Now it is time to repeat your sankalpa. Please repeat the same statement made at the beginning of the practice 3 times mentally now. Come back to the feeling of your breath flowing in and out of your nostrils. Maintain your awareness of breath and at the same time develop your awareness of your physical body. Your body is relaxed and lying on the floor. Feel the container of your skin and the clothes and the props that are touching you. Notice the heaviness on your body as it rests on the floor, and take your awareness into all the points that are touching the floor, the back of your heels, your thighs, your buttocks, shoulder blades, arms, your hands, and your head. Do not open your eyes yet, but visualize the surrounding room now. Imagine where you are in the room and the other objects that are around you. Lie quietly until you feel that you're ready to move. You can slowly now begin to wiggle. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. You can begin to bend one knee, then the other, slowly rolling over to one side and holding yourself there for a moment using your hand. Press yourself to a comfortable seated position, keeping your eyes closed, and join your palms together at the heart, which is called as the Anjali Mudra. Always a sign of gratitude for this practice should be made, and we take a moment to honor ourselves, our practice, our intention. May this practice serve us to our highest good and our highest potential, and may we learn to reframe negativity and choose responses that are helpful and uplifting, receiving whatever insight this practice has to offer us with an open heart and an open mind. The light within me bows to the light within you. That's the end of our Yoga Nidra practice. Namaste.